TruSkin Vitamin C Cream for Face, Brightening Moisturizer, Anti-Aging, Hydrating, Skin Wrinkle Cream, Vitamin B5, Vitamin E, Jojoba Oil, Aloe Vera and Green Tea, 2 fluid ounces. Brighten your day. Nourishing aloe-infused vitamin C face cream works to support an even, radiant-looking and healthier-feeling complexion. Hydrating vitamin C face moisturizer to improve the appearance of tone, texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. Daily anti-aging vitamin C cream. Formulated to be the best vitamin C moisturizer for face with nutrient-rich green tea. Aloe and vitamins B5 and E to brighten, smooth and replenish, plus MSM to boost absorption for hydrated, healthy-looking skin. How to apply? After cleansing and using toner or serums as needed, apply a dime-sized amount of TruSkin Vitamin C lotion to fingertips and smooth onto face. As with all facial skincare products, test moisturizer face cream 24 hours before use, external use only. Cruelty-free and made in the USA with globally sourced components. TruSkin Vitamin C Moisturizer is Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free, and all our products are manufactured and bottled in the USA with globally sourced components for exceptional freshness. Dermatologist and clinically tested. TruSkin Vitamin C Cream isn't just a moisturizer, it's a skin transformation in a jar. By merging nature's best ingredients with cutting-edge science, it addresses multiple concerns at once: dullness, aging, dryness, and sensitivity. Plus, its ethical standards and affordability make it a win-win for your skin and conscience. Ready to brighten your day? Give your skin the nourishment it craves and watch it thrive. Subscribe my channel and share this video.